In this Bond Bridge series video, we will show you how to set up your new Bond Bridge unit. We will cover creating a Bond account, signing into the Bond Home application, setting up your Bond Bridge. First, you need the Bond Home app. You can find it on Apple's App Store and on Android's Play Store. After installing it, you need to create an account or sign in with an existing one. If you are already using Bond, you can just log in. If you are setting up a new account, select Create an Account. Enter your name, email address, and a password. Please verify the information is correct for the email address, as this is also used for password recovery. Select Create Account when finished. You are now on the Bond Home main dashboard screen, ready to add your new Bond Bridge. To add a bridge, confirm the center ring is flashing green. Select plus located at the bottom center in Android and upper right in iOS. In the Add a New Device screen, select Bridge. Or you can select Scan QR Code to easily set up your Bond Bridge. Selecting this option will enable your phone camera to scan the QR code on the back of your bridge. Please accept any prompts for using your phone camera. And before scanning the QR code, ensure that the Bond center ring is flashing green, indicating that it is in setup mode. The QR code is located at the bottom part of the Bond Bridge unit. Once the camera is activated and the QR code detected, you will be redirected to the application. For users who did not choose the QR code option, make sure the Bond center ring is flashing green before selecting Continue. If the center ring is not flashing green, please select It's not flashing green and you will be directed to a help file for instructions on a bridge Wi-Fi reset. When not using the QR code, connect to the Bond Config Wi-Fi network. For iOS, move from the Bond Home application to iOS settings and choose Wi-Fi. Connect to the Bond Config Wi-Fi network. After successfully connecting to the Bond Config Wi-Fi network, you will encounter the message Unsecured Network or No Internet Connection. This is a normal status, and you can proceed without any concerns. Go back to the Bond Home application to continue the setup. For Android, when not using the QR code, tap the Bond Bridge Config Wi-Fi network, which is also the serial number of your Bond, shown under Nearby Devices, and select Connect. If no devices are showing up under Nearby Devices, make sure you are near the Bond Bridge unit and the center ring is flashing green, or select I can't find my device option in the application. If a firmware update is available, select Update. After the firmware update, the application will take you to another page to continue the setup. Please note that after the update completes, you may have to confirm the connection to the Bond Config network. Select a location name from the list or choose Other and add your own. Give your Bond Bridge a unique name. Select your region. And once done, select Continue. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the network password. Then wait for the Bond to come online. If you do not see your network, refresh the list by pulling the list down. The Bond will only connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network if your router is broadcasting separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. The Bond center ring will turn solid blue once the Bond is connected to the Wi-Fi network and to the Bond server. For Bond bridges having serial numbers starting with Z, first, select Other in the Wi-Fi network list. Then enter the name of the Wi-Fi network and the password, then select Save. Once connected to your Wi-Fi network and the Bond server, the setup is complete. Select Done. If the Bond is unable to connect to your Wi-Fi network, the Bond center ring light will turn orange. Please try the following. Make sure you are correctly entering your password. Try a Wi-Fi reset and try the setup process again. Try resetting your Wi-Fi router. Unplug your Bond, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. If you are still having issues connecting to Wi-Fi, please contact us at customerservice@bondhome.io. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. This is just one of the operational videos you can find on the Bond Home support site.